Hey guys, and welcome back to Born Traveller, and welcome to Novi Sad in Serbia. Okay, let's get started. As you can see, this is the river Danube, very famous river in Europe. Just over here, we've got a load of buildings. It says Novi Sad, European Capital of Culture. Do you agree? I'm not sure. Let's go and find out. This is the second largest city in Serbia, so it's supposed to be a really nice place. So we'll see how it goes. First impression of the city, thankfully it's a little bit cooler this week. It's only about 28 degrees at the moment, so it's only early morning as well, so at the moment it's only about 23. Give it a 360 degree, and I think it'll give you the size of this place. It's quite big, so all that you see here is Novi Sad, so you know it's not a small place. So as we come over the bridge, you can see the great thing is here in Novi Sad, everything's in English. So it says the fort, which I think is the cathedral as well, and the city museum. So this is a nice little street here. We've got all different coloured buildings, you know, got flags. This reminds me of somewhere I've been recently. I can't remember where now. Is it in Georgia? Yeah, I think it reminds me of somewhere in Georgia, like Gori. There's that old part in Gori in Georgia, where the fortress was. Yeah, it's similar to that. Quite an old church here. That looks of it. Unfortunately, they're doing renovations opposite, which is quite annoying. There. So I think we go up this path here. Nice view, isn't it? Right. Wow. Good night. What's in here? Ooh, look at that. It is locked, but it looks like at the end there's either a guide or maybe it goes round actually, maybe that's where you come out. There's one quite impressive clock tower, isn't it? And more importantly, it actually still works. And it's got a weather map. It's got a weather vane at the top as well. Wow. So here I think we can see the outer wall. I don't know if it's a cathedral or a castle. Maybe it's both. That's that nice church we saw from the bottom. It's quite a nice church. It's got I think it's copper, isn't it? A copper top. So we get a little bit better view from the river, and as far as the eye can see, you can see the city. So this is a big city, pretty much. You know, not in that direction, but definitely in that direction, which is that's where most of the city is. The bus station's over there somewhere. Yeah, you've got this beautiful bit. I don't know what this is called. This bit here, it's beautiful. Like, I mean, a very nice place to live. I assume those are the most expensive apartments since, you know, this is the old town, I think. I'm starting to wonder, I wonder if that bridge was destroyed during the Balkans War. It could have been, probably was. The worst thing, it's probably destroyed by my country as well. Maybe. There's two main bridges. There's the main bridge there, which you get a lot of traffic over. That's the one I came over. And you've got one here, which is a little bit more in the city. What we'll do is, we'll take another walk down this wall here, the outer wall. So there's an art shop here just behind this tree. These are apartments. These are people's houses. Wow, I wonder, God, can you imagine how much these cost with that view? In the capital city of culture of Europe. Well, these must be $1 million places. They don't look like $1 million places, but you'd think, yeah, they've got post box and everything, so it does look like people live here. There you go, Novi Sad cruisers, look at that. One-man boat. Well, there's two men in it actually. But you can say that this is definitely a defensive wall. You know, if you were trying to attack here, you'd have to climb up here and then breach that wall. It's very, very well built, as in defensive. So you can arrive here by taxi, by the way, guys. So if you don't want to walk far, you can get a taxi up here. Wow, look at this. Wow. So you've got an inner wall and an outer wall. They weren't messing about defending this place then. Look at this. This is really nice. It looks like they're still, you know, renovating it, still doing it all. There's a lovely wooden bridge that goes over. I assume that would have been a drawbridge maybe, but actually, no, yeah, it's quite interesting. Yeah, that probably would have been a drawbridge at some point. Yeah, oh, that's why. Oh, yeah, that would have been a moat then. Yeah, they would have filled that with water, actually thinking about it. Yeah, so it had a moat. Wow. It's not a huge place, but I've been walking for an hour already, which is quite crazy. I've already been walking, like, from my hotel to here. I haven't stopped for, you know, for anything. So, you know, if you want to get some exercise, there's certainly a lot you can see and do here. So I'm back where I started. I've walked around a complete circle. We're back to the bridge. Oh, I see. Okay, that was quicker than I thought. Yeah, so this is the City Museum here, I think. The City Museum of Novi Sad is a museum of complex dedicated to collecting, preserving and preservation of the heritage of Novi Sad. So it's $200 to go in, which is about $1.75. So it's really not expensive to go in if you want to. The military galleries, which I think is the underground bit, you have to go on like a tour. I assume they do them some time of the day. It's a bit annoying really, but you can't go on your own. I assume it's because it's just, they want to, I don't know. Anyway, but you can't go on your own. So if you do want to do that, you can ask for more information when they do it. I didn't ask. You can peek in actually and see them when you walk up. You know, I got a little bit of video, but it'd be nice to see a bit more. But anyway, that doesn't matter. So there is a cafe. It's here. It's right back at the start where the clock tower is. So I'm going to go and get coffee of some kind. Some tables and chairs actually. They're just putting them out now actually. So that bit where I walked earlier, starting to put table and chairs out, I think it's going to be a bit hot. Having said that, if they open them curtains, it won't be too bad. So I've just ordered a Café Latte. It's 250 dinars, which is about $2.